Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you, and oh my god, this arrived so quickly. We are today the 9th of November, and usually it arrives, what, at the 20th? 15th? If I'm really lucky, sometimes 20th. Let's just open up and see what we have. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Oh. LookFantastic, listen, you probably don't watch my videos, you probably don't even care about me, but can you stop with these coupons? So if anyone wants a £32 wine voucher, there it is, if you want to use it. Yes, I know, a lot of people probably love those vouchers and coupons, whatnot. I don't. It's silver. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Pray there's a pamphlet in. Please. I can open this. Oh, there. Yes, there's one. Okay. Sparkle your way through party season. Whoop, whoop. I'm not really a party girl, but you know, it's like from time to time I do like to look fancy and, you know, bling bling. There's once again nothing on the film material. Nothing. Oh no. Oh no. I have just filmed my pineapple video, right? Where I said, oh, I just need to use up one more shadow so I can buy a new palette. No! I was so close to 90 shadows. So anyways, this is the Revolution, the mini reloaded palette, Velvet Rose. So it's not folding all the way back, which is slightly annoying. Oh, it smells like just normal face powder. God damn it. I literally, like 2 hours ago, I filmed my pen palette update. This actually looks nice. I want to swatch this one. Oh, okay. And then maybe the shimmer shade. Okay. And then give me the matte shade too. Well, this actually doesn't look that bad. I mean, the shimmer, like the glitter shade here, the golden one, I will probably not use that much. I mean, it looks nice with the finger, right? Because you have the warmth of my skin, which is helping melt. Okay, wait. Let me finish which is helping melt that shadow into my skin. But you know, the more you apply it, the more the color just leaves and just like a golden brown. It's not shimmery anymore. You know what I mean? See, this was supposed to look like. This is what it looks like now. Listen, I just want to say, for the record here, I was doing so well with 90 shadows, okay, or with my goal of 90 shadows. This is not my fault. You can look forward to a swatch video probably, and then sometime in the future, I don't know when, there will be a... Why do I have so much trouble opening this? It's crazy. Then in the future, a palette bingo, probably. They don't have shade names, so that will be interesting. And then also a How Will Does. This palette is the formula you know and love in a mini format, perfect for on the go and travel. They also have the full size palette if you want to buy that. And you know what, I agree, if you like a warm neutral palette with a pop of glitter, this might be for you. I mean, the thing is, this shade here is a bit too pinky to be a blending shade for me, but I could make it work. If you have a deeper skin tone or a lighter skin tone than me, this might not be a one and done palette for you. You know, I can use these two to just keep it open, for God's sake. You can't open it anyways, keep it open. I can use these two to deepen up the other corner or as a liner or whatever. This to blend in. This will be all of the lid in the transition. This is a shimmer shade, this is a glitter shade. For me it will be a one and done palette, but I don't know how other people might perceive it. The Avon Pro Perfecting Collagen Touch Eclat Primer. Ooh, okay. That's a huge tube for a primer. But you know, I will deal with it. Lightweight with a silky texture, this primer creates a smooth canvas that's ready for any kind of makeup. And this is cruelty free. It's sealed. I know, I can't smell anything through. Apply to clean dry skin. Wear alone on the foundation to create a smooth, even canvas. You know, since I don't wear foundation, I will use it on its own, but I hope it can make my skin look a bit more, how to say that, like tied together, you know, like even out the skin tone and maybe minimize the pores just a little bit. I will then try that out. Like, so far this box is already better than the one we had before. I'm a bit sad that my pen palette challenge is not doing so well right now, but this is beautiful to look at. If we just forget about the coupon that we had, it's fine. This is the Bondi Sands Pure Sleep Tanning Mask. Okay, well, I'm not gonna use this. Create the illusion of a sun-kissed glow with this self-tanning sleep mask. For all skin types with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It's made in Australia and it's cruelty-free and vegan. But yeah, I'm not gonna use this. I just don't use self-tanner. This is the biggest thing in here, size-wise. This is the Color Wow Dream Coat. Encourage smooth and sleek hairstyles with this anti-humidity spray. A heat-activated spray designed for all hair types. Super natural spray. Oh my god, okay. It's weird because there is a bit of scent to it, but then again, there's absolutely no scent at all. Very, very strange. So I will use that. Technically, usually I'm someone who doesn't blow dry the hair, right? Because I just want to let it air dry. But in winter, you know, like, I'm very prone to getting sick anyways, so if I have to blow dry my hair to not get sick, or at least my scalp, the scalp area, then I would do that. So I will probably try this one out too. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, like, first of all, spoiler, for once we have everything that's in here. The last part is a this or that, but they're all in here. These are so cute. Oh my god. These are the Brushworks pastel slip resistant and crease free clips to hold back bangs and stray hairs. Useful when it comes to sectioning and styling wet or dry hair, this set of clips contains robust hair clips in soft pastels. You know, I'm starting to let my nails grow and somehow I cannot do anything anymore. It's bad. Oh, cute. So I'm guessing you... Wait, which side do I have to put to my hair? This side, right? So maybe my hair's too thick. Yeah, I think maybe my hair's too thick for this. I don't know. You know, they say bangs, so it would not be that much hair. So maybe this works. You know what hair clips look like, and you know what they do. I will probably use them, sure. Okay, and then last but not least, we're ready at the end of the box. Can we leave this? A new brush. Ooh, this is by Lulia Cosmetics. So what do we have? The Cream Shader Brush. Prime Vegan. Ooh. Oh my god, super soft. We had another one. So I don't know when we got this, but also in LookFantastic box. It was the Detail Shader Brush. And now this is the Cream Shader. So concealer or eye primer, whatever it is. Oh, this feels so soft. I mean, obviously, I would use it for something else as well, right? Like, I would use it for, I don't know, like glitter shadow or whatever. Like, you don't have to use a brush just for one specific reason, you know what I mean? You can have enough brushes. So that was everything that was in the box. Overall, it's actually a great box. Like, I cannot complain here. Actually, in the front it said Color Wow. So there's like basically like an ad for the products in here. Then we have a full poly prep routine in one box. Yes, I can see that. Yeah, definitely. Nighttime skincare tips. Vitamin E, what it is and what it does. And then the beauty hack is the eye elevator. Also, how to get rid of dark circles, eye bags, puffiness, fine lines, wrinkles, blah blah. Behind the theme is obviously party prep. And then in the next box we will have the Medic 8 Micellar Mousse. Cool. So that's all. I also have a few products to review. Let me grab them and I'll be back. It's getting very dark outside and I think a thunderstorm is coming, so if the light is bad, I apologize. So first and foremost, like I said, I just did my pen palette video. There's this one up. This is the also Luvia highlighter that we got last month. And I said it was too dark for me to use a highlighter, so I used it as an eyeshadow. And it's gone. There's still a bit around the rim there, but I'm just not gonna use it. So that is gone. It was nice. I had to use it as an eyeshadow, so I cannot tell you how it was as a highlighter. But as an eyeshadow, it was great. The highlighter part, do not ask me. I'm not the one who should give you suggestions on this. And this, I didn't even use up, as you can see. This is the Bleach London Reincarnation Conditioner. This is so bad. I'm currently using the shampoo as a hand wash. Does that tell you something? I hate this. The smell, you know, the smell is okay, but just the way it makes my hair feel. It feels so sticky and yet so dry at the same time. It's absolutely terrible. The shampoo too, but you know, I can use shampoo as a hand wash. The conditioner, what am I going to do with it? I do not like it at all. It's funny because it's, you know, new life with every wash. Nourishing conditioner. No, my hair was so dry. It did not look good. It did not feel good. No, I'm getting rid of it. So then, something, you know, to change the mood here. I love this. This is the NYX Very Rose 3-in-1 Soothing Micellar Water. It removes makeup, cleanses, and softens. I love this so much. Like, I started using this in June when we went to Paris, and then, you know, I used up another product first, and then I went back to this, and this is so nice. It doesn't hurt or sting on your face. It makes your skin actually very soft, and it removes every makeup, even the waterproof makeup. I can highly recommend this. I love this, and it actually lasted me quite a while. And this, listen, there's nothing wrong with this nail polish, right? This is the Nails Inc Mayfair Lane nail polish. There's nothing wrong with it, but I don't like the shade on my nails. You know, I have a pinkish undertone, I would say. I don't know what it is, but it just does not look good on my nails. It's also a bit streaky. You have to go in twice to make it look good, which, you know, other nail polishes you have to go in like 3 times, so this is actually a win. But yeah, I just don't like it. It's a good polish, but not for me, so I will probably put it into the public bookshelf or something so someone else can use it. This was also not that nice. Oh my god, this is the Paradox Moisture Conditioner. We also got that last month, and you want to guess how many times it took me to use this up? 2 times. First off, I hate the, what's that called? Like the metal packaging? You know, like I don't know, like English is hard, okay? It's so hard to squeeze something out, right? And especially if your hands are wet and you probably have hair or soap in your eyes anyways, trying to get this out, the tube, it's just really rough. And again, same with the other conditioner, it just makes my hair so dry. I don't know what it is. Maybe I just need a very specific conditioner for my hair. I do not like this. Luckily, it only took me 2 uses to use up, but no. And last but not least, the last product I have here is the Visible Dreamy Skin Retinol Night Oil. I use this instead of my night cream, so it had time to sink into my skin and, you know, do its magic. I didn't really see a difference. Oh my god, I always feel so bad when I say that, but I seriously did not see a difference. It was the same with or without. So anyways, that was everything that was in the box. The lighting is doing things, man. It's crazy. That was everything that was in the box. Let me know if you tried any of this. These are cute. I will probably use them. A brush I can always use. I have to add 6 more new shadows into my Panda Pearl challenge. Of course, you know, it's towards the end of the year. There's only 1 month left. Of course I'm getting 6 new shadows. Of course. It's not like I've worked the whole entire year to get to 90. Honestly, this is a very beautiful palette. I wish that there was like maybe like a more purple, darker purple in here, because these two are very similar. Obviously there are different shades, you know, like this is a cooler tone, this is a warmer tone. Yes, I get it, but you know, maybe another shade. We will see how they perform. I don't know when I will get to the how will dust perform. I'm excited about that. This I will see. These I will not use because I don't do self-tanner. And then a primer I can always use. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already, and it's the next one.